Okay, sorry about the last time. The video I uploaded, you see that there is no sound, so the my microphone was not working. So I am sharing a very brief audio session for you now that I am using screen recorder. Free screen recorder software is available in the internet. You can download, and I have downloaded one version, and I'm using my microphone to record the audio. And the work I was showing in the last video, it contains this window, that this will be the task for your today's class. I will not go through any online discussion session, so I will upload this screen recording and you will see, and you will note the measurements of this file, and you will draw accordingly. So today, beside sharing different previous options, I will rather go to the today's work that contains that you can draw the line, that 12 feet 6 inch line and then 14 feet 8 inch line. You can draw this line, and the first task is actually about to show this dimension of this drawing. So we will go d space for dimension style manager. So d space, and then uh, we can modify the dimension, but at first you need to give the dimension. So this is the dimension tab. You will select the linear dimension because most of our drawings are straight now. So the linear dimension will to show a dimension. So to give a dimension also, you need to click on the 2 points you want the dimension, and it will be shown. So again, if I go click on the 2 points and move your mouse a little bit far away from the drawing to see it clearly. But at the first time it will not be looked as like this, because the dimension of this line or the text will be very small. So you have to go to dspace dimension style. You have to modify, like, now check the options, that lines, the extend beyond dimension line and offset from origin. Extend beyond dimension line means that this extended part, and offset from origin means this offset, that the dimension line will start some from some distance, so that the drawing and dimension line are separated. There is no confusion about that. So make it like this, or you can change according to your drawing. And symbol and arrows, make the arrow size bigger to see the arrow clearly. I have made it 2. And change the text height. Going to the text section, change the text height 5 inch or bigger to see it clearly. And also in the primary units, the unit format will be decimal. Make it to architectural. Select architectural, and this precision is, you see, 0, because if I make it smaller, what happens, let's see. This precision means 1 by 4, 3 by 16, 3 by 8, different fraction will show you. Because this drawing I have not drawn in any scale, so it was showing. Let's show you. Set current, always press set current and close. So it was, I have drawn just without giving any dimension. I have drawn on my will. So this was showing very fraction, smaller fraction, which I didn't want. I wanted to avoid this fraction, so I changed from the dimension style d space modify, then precision I made it 0, close. Okay, so the fraction is in here already, but it is not shown. So you can change the dimension like this. And then if I go now very clearly, it happens sometimes in AutoCAD that you cannot zoom in and zoom out. So the command for zoom everything is Z space A space. Don't click in between anything. Then the whole window will be zoom. Z space A space means zoom all. So this drawing is actually drawn like this. L space 12 feet 6 So make orthogonal on 12 feet. Feet is the left button of the enter, and 6 is just 6. There you need to give anything. 12 feet 6 space. This is 14 feet 8 space. You can take reference and okay. Now I drawn a curved line using SPLINE command. SPL is for SPLINE. So I just drawn at my own will what I wanted. There is no rules. You can draw in your own way. Okay. So the SPL space again. This is my orthogonal is on, so it is very straight. You can manually click in here auto mode off, so now it will give you more flexible option to draw your line. You can close the line using C space, or you can just close clicking the space. Give you another time. SPL click click click. Now I'm here, so I want to close in here, so you can manually click or you can give C space, so it will be closed. Now the command is offset. O space is offset, that is I want a regular distance from all around my drawing, so 2 feet space. I have to give O space, then I have to give the dimension like 2 feet space. Click on the line and show the direction and click on the line, show the direction using the mouse and click like this. Also you can offset this line too, and I use another command fillet F space to close this part. F space and click the near the end so that it closed. TR double space to avoid all the unnecessary lines. I'm using the trim command TR double space to remove all the extended line. This will not be trimmed because this is only a single line. You can E space erase it. TR double space. Okay, then I used H space and at peak point, as this 2 point I want maybe the water, so okay, I need to change the scale 30. Okay, now this is actually the color control tab. You can change the line weight also, so I'm selecting the blue color, blue, so it will be blue, and I'm giving hatch in this walkway part. Maybe this smaller part I want different texture. Okay, the scale is big, so make it smaller and change the color to select color, any color you want. So this is changed, and you can make some thick line by selecting this line and select line thickness from here. So for some of you may this line thickness may not be shown, so on check that this show hide line weight, this option is on or off. Make it on to show the line. If it is off, you see the line weight is not shown, so make it on. And also you can make dotted line or different line. Select these two lines in here, go other, load any line you want from here, and then select that line. So this was the command for today, and I ask you to press submit and work of today's work. You will submit in Google Classroom. I will make an assignment, that online class 2, and you will submit your works in that section. Thank you.